Hello, folks, and welcome to Gary's World and Workshop. Today we're going to do something a little different. It's fall time of the year here, so winter's coming. Nice. Anyway, so I'm going to be doing a lot of photography stuff inside because I only have to work in this room here. I won't be outside much in the wintertime doing anything. So I figured I'd tag you along. You can see what I do here in the wintertime. I'll be doing a lot of photography, like this water drop up here, this picture up here, dandelion down in here, things like that, stuff like this, oil on water. Um, Another kind of example of stuff, a little abstracty stuff. So I'll be doing a lot of that. So I get looking at Temu. I'm not sure if everybody knows what Temu is, but it's an outfit from China. Sells relatively cheap stuff, really. So I got looking at some photography stuff there. So I ordered a few things. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a bit of an unboxing and have a look at the stuff I got from Temu, just for photography stuff. So I ended up with this big bag of stuff. So let's have a look and see what we got. Let's get over here somewhere. It's come apart here already. Let's tear open the bag here. All right, we'll pull out the long box first. Maybe stuff the tape and stuff. So I got this tripod adapter type thing for hanging and doing some photography work. Look like kind of a cool thing. Just want to have a quick look here. We'll open it up and see really what it's all about. There we go. Yeah. Perfect. Exactly what I was looking for. So we can screw in this end. And this end is opposite. And we have all these. We can move in different spots. All different ways. So we can mount camera, some flashes, lights, extend the camera, all sorts of things. So that looks pretty good. It's aluminum. Seems like half decent quality, which is kind of surprising, but yeah, it looks good. I think I'll be using that for sure. And it was Canadian. All the stuff is Canadian. So that's a crossover bar, cell, camera, overhead bracket, vertical shooting, floor support bracket, etc., etc., etc. And that was $21 Canadian. This is all Canadian money. Of course, I'm from Canada. All right, a backstop, which is nothing special, but when you're doing like my dandelion down here type thing, you want something for backlot, so I can fill this full of colors. It's kind of a 3D, 2D thing. So I thought that might be kind of cool. And it was $3.88. What else we got in here? All right, what do we got here? This is the backstop. So just dark. It's just a basic backstop is all it is for photography. Just it's a dark gray color. Just a backstop. Nothing special. Just material basically. All right, what else we got here? What have we got in this small little thing here? Let's see what this is. yeah, I got a kick out of this. So I'm a bit of a cat nut. Well, not really a cat nut. I have a cat. I enjoy cats. So this goes on my, where am I at here? Little cat head, little tail in the back. So that just basically goes on where your flash goes on top of your camera. That could be, I think it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be a pretty cute little thing. Yeah, I think that'll be pretty cute. Hey, what else we got here? Oh, a camera strap. I had one of these before. I'll show you here in a second. They're great. I only have one complaint with it. And it so this goes over your shoulder. Your camera hangs off it. Okay. Kind of like this. Went it backwards. So it'll sit on your shoulder like this. That's what it is in your camera. Your camera is down here, or clipped on here. And it comes with a screw for the bottom of your camera. Then you clip, you put this on. The thing is, my old one didn't have this part, and it would constantly be going up this way, and it would constantly be falling down because it didn't have this underarm part. So that's the important part. Your camera clips, your camera clips on, this clips on, this clips on. You hang your camera from your side, and away you go. Bob's your uncle. So that should be, you get it all adjusted up and stuff, but that should be pretty good. Put that aside there, put that aside there. What else we got in here? Another box. Oh, yeah, just cleaners. Just cleaners. Lens cleaners. That's all they are. Just little packages of lens cleaners. It's great. You have glasses, you need them. Trust me, I need them. Photography, you just use these like crazy. Nothing special about these. Just lens cleaners. So I got a box of them. So 50 of them for 200, 50 of these for 200 bucks. Lens cleaners. Awesome. Hey, what we got in here? A little tripod. A little baby tabletop tripod and the cell phone adapter for it too. Yeah, so it's one of these little adjustable ones that'll bend and shape for you. Pretty cool. Put it up, yeah, pretty nice. Cell phone adapter. I'll put your cell phone on it. Up this way. Turn it around. Go in all different positions. I don't think it would hold my camera, but it'd be awesome. It's going to be awesome for a cell phone or small lights and stuff around. Great. Perfect. Little try. All right. Another little box. What do we got in there now? Styrofoam. Styrofoam. I got packed with styrofoam. I hate styrofoam. Hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it. Ah, it's poison. Styrofoam is poison. Oh, it's my little lens ball holder. Ah, cool. And it can go on the tripod. Look at the, let's see what this does now. This is going to be awesome. So it's just a little for my lens ball. which is a lot of fun doing things. So I can set it up like that for my lens ball. Where's my lens ball? Here we are. And then my lens ball sit on top of there. They shoot through to take your picture. Awesome. Looks good. What I used to use a lot is an egg cup. If anybody's got a lens ball and looking for something to put it on, egg cup works. But I like this little thing. That's awesome. That's gonna work great. Um, yeah, that's all it is. Just a little lens ball thing. Perfect. I like it. I like it. Put that aside there. Lens ball aside. Oh yeah, it's a manual focus for my come on now. Stop giving me a hard time here. They're famous for putting bags inside of bags. I don't know why, but they do. So what this thing is going to be is if you got something like 50 millimeter lens here and I want to do manual, it's only got this small little thing here. You're trying to get your hands around there and you're getting in front of the lens and it's a pain. So I got one of these. That's what these are supposed to go on. Like so. We'll just give it a little quick demo here and see how well is this going to work. And then we tighten that up. Oh, maybe a little tighter, maybe. Let's go up here. Let's go on there. Snug this up. There. So when this is on the camera, I can be up here and just easily adjust the manual focus. Pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, it might be all right. I'll find out when I get using it. But it was all $3.82. Hey. Another box. Oh, turntable. 5-volt turntable. I had a small version of this one time. I shouldn't say one time. I still got it, I guess, but it's kind of fun. These are neat for doing stuff. Oh, what do we got here? Instructions. Your typical instructions for anything like this. Sometimes you don't even get instructions, but basically what this is, it's a turntable. It spins around, and then it's got a LED light in there, and it changes different colors. So you lay it down, and I'll put something like my dandelion onto this, and then as it spins and goes different colors, that's when I'll take different shots to get that. So that's what I got that for. Pretty cool. It's like a mirror finish on this one. This should be all right. It should be okay. Now we're getting down all my little wrenches. Yeah. So I don't know about you. I don't know why it comes three of them, but it does anyways. But I even have an example here of what it is. Oh yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. A lot of times on the bottom of your camera, you have things that screw in. They'll be like, you'll be looking for a quarter or something to try to stick in there. That's what these are for. These are like the little wrenches for them. So I'm always looking for something. I'm always looking for a quarter or something. Never. You think you just grab a quarter. a lot of times I don't have them, so I picked up a package of 3 of these for $2.10. So I can put hooks on them, so I'll tag them all over. 3 of them, I'll have no problem tagging them to some of my photography equipment, so I won't lose them. I won't be running around. You got a quarter? All right, yeah. These are notorious. I wear glasses, so I like to have these eye cups for up against my glasses. So it's just a back eye cup for up against your glasses when you for your camera. I don't know why, but I don't want to glue them on, but I keep losing them all the time. I don't know what or why, but anyways, that's all that is, and they're like $1.39. So I should have bought a bunch of them because I keep losing them. Anyhow, last but not least, I guess. Yeah, that's it. So last but not least is this tent. So it's a portable photo studio kit, folding shooting tent box with LED light. You get all that. Let's kind of have a little bit of a look here and see what it is. Basically, I do quite a bit of jewelry. So I want to, oh, yeah, nice. It comes with its own little bag. That's kind of cool. So this should show you basically what it is. It makes this tent and you put things inside of it. Then your camera can go through the top of it and look at it, or through the front. You put lights in it, light it up more colors and stuff. Yeah. Instructions. Oh, come on now. Cooperate with me. Instructions. Instructions for putting together. I'm not going to put it all together, I don't think. We'll just have a quick look and see what kind of quality things look like. So far, I'm kind of impressed. Yeah. Some black, some white. Yeah, it's the plastic. Plastic tent thing, yeah. There's your LEDs on the side there. I may do a video on putting this together. So basically, that's more or less what you're going to end up with. With a box like that. So with this up top here, you can put lights in there. You can take your photograph right down through that way. Various things you can do with it. Perfect. I think that's going to work out nice. Because I often try to make something like that, make something up like that to do it. So there we have it. A quick unboxing video on Temu photography gadgets, I'll call them. They look good. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll get back to you with more videos. And you have yourself a wonderful day. Goodbye now.